Hi everybody, lesson number 5, how to play over an A blues. This lesson goes over using all 5 boxes of the A major pentatonic scale. If you don't know the 5 boxes of the A major pentatonic scale, I just posted a video recently that teaches them to you. It's literally called the 5 boxes of the A major pentatonic scale. So look it up if you don't know them. This is all about playing over regular 12-bar blues, A7, 4 measures, D7, 2, A7, 2, E7, 1, D7, 1, A7, 1, E7, 1, using just the 5 common boxes, positions, patterns, whatever you want to call them, of the A major pentatonic scale over that chord progression. Here is a little example. I have this really boring, totally in time, quantized backing track that's perfectly in time at 90 beats per minute. There's nothing live in it. It's all fake drums and keyboard. And I mean, of course, I played all the stuff in, but it's perfectly in time. It's a great track to practice practice keeping time. It's not too fast, and it's just a great backing track to practice to. It's very, very simple, very sparse, outlines the chords real nice, and keeps the beat just like a metronome does, 90 beats per minute. So here's some of the track, and we'll just play out of the first box, box number 1 down here at fret 2. We'll move up to the second box. What you're looking for as you play out of each box is what they sound like, what chords you like them best over, etc. Because eventually we're going to move between the boxes, but right now we're just exploring each box individually. Here is the next pattern up here, fret 5. That's not right. That's right. Next position is right here at fret 7. Next one's up here at fret number 9. Last box. Couple mistakes there at the end, but you get the idea. Put on the backing track, try each box, try each position, and see what you like, see what you don't like.